and welcome to this Gateway API video guide. My name is Angelica and today I will show you how to create a Gateway API account. You can use your phone number, your email or your social logins Facebook and Google. For my example, I will use Google. I choose the email I would like to use for my Gateway API account. Then I read through the terms and conditions of gatewayapi.com. When I agree to this, I am taken to my new backend and I can start sending messages. That was it for this Gateway API video. If you have any questions, feedback or other things you'd like to share with us, feel free to let us know in a comment below. See you in the next video.